A city's most defining characteristics are its food, architecture, and cultural traditions. Wouldn't it be perfect to savor these all at the same time? Milan Food Tours does just that and more. We will steer you away from the touristic center by offering you an exclusive taste of the best gourmet pit stops in Milan's off-the-beaten-path neighborhoods. Between generous, delicious food tastings, you'll get an insider's view of the history and culture that defines the fashion capital. Enjoy a memorable Milan food tour experience with our entertaining, passionate, and expert tour guides, each of whom live in the areas you will explore. You will meet and engage with our local famous food purveyors and shop owners, while indulging yourself with unique culinary insights of regional Italian food.